So we're going to present our um, app. It's a web application. So the name of our application is Banyo. So our vision is to develop an online site in which students from public schools can participate and collaborate to improve their school toilets and to avoid from those harmful diseases as well as to promote healthy lifestyle. So our objective is to increase students' awareness of importance of sanitation to one's daily life and health. So problems that we need to that we are going to address are so number one is poor sanitation. Number two, we have lack of facilities, lack of water closets, maintenance, and no proper ventilation. So those are the common things as that we usually encounter in public school toilets. So the application that we're going to develop will mainly target those problems. So the users of our applications are the students, teachers, employee, and other concerned citizens. For example, if an individual is able to use the public toilet in public schools and they're able to find out that there's a need for improvement for the toilet, so they can use our application to upload the necessary information so that we can determine the problem, okay, on the certain public school so that we can look for ways or means to solve it. Importance and benefits. So to ensure the health of the students, to protect the environment, to avoid harmful diseases, and to provide convenient toilet for the students. So our solution. So this application will gather information about the public school toilet present condition. So for example, if a user or a student has a problem with their public toilet, then they can gather all the information like the photos, some information like the tile, the ceiling, the walls, the lighting. So after gathering all those, they can upload it, and with the use of our application, they can upload all those information so that later on, if there are problems that need to be fixed or find the solution with, so we can just use the database of our application to look for those problems on a certain public school. So our future plans include the SMS capabilities. So katulad ng ipatrol mo sa ABS-CBN. So SMS capabilities like when you encounter problems, so with the use of SMS, you can just send using your text, just text the problem or the information, the school address, okay, and you can send it to a certain number that we're going to embed to or we're going to incorporate to our system. So we have automatically update, inform the city government of the present condition of the school public toilet. So this is what we wanted to happen with our system. So since most of us encounters this type of problem in most of the public schools, then with the help of the government, the city government or the local government and some NGOs, that they'll be able to look for ways and they look for ways to improve the problem in the toilet in the public schools. So we can also gather the best solution from professionals. So since we are starting with this one, we don't have any idea on how the standard toilet should look like, then professionals should really look for ways so that they be able to help us with our problem. Seek funds from private individuals, government, non-government organizations. So another thing is that since looking through our website, then you'll be able to see the problems in each of the public schools, then that's the time if if they'd be able to help, if they wanted to help in a certain public school, then they can provide us with the information, okay, on how they're going to help. So we can actually generate or monetize the website, we can generate funds so that we can help those public school toilets. So localization, we also wanted to localize because our web application is currently um, is in English version. So we wanted to localize it so that so that Chabacano people will just they can easily understand the text or the contents of our page. Availability of the app for the related institutions. So as of now, we are targeting the high school public schools. So we are looking forward that we'll be able to target also those schools or other related organization we having the same problem. So this is the revised version of our El Banyo app or website. Although we're not done with the graphics yet because we still need to develop a lot of things so that we'll be able to come up with a good graphics for our page. So, for example, the previous version that we created includes also a portal. So this is our portal. So we're going to click this one, ombre. So this means male. So for for our checklist now, for example, for the line, so we have this description, our corners properly lighted, and then we have different options. So a while ago, I'm thinking of using a bulb, okay, with different level of lighting. But then I just decided to use this one, smiley. So for example, if you're going to use this, let's say, if you're satisfied with the lighting condition of a certain toilet, so you may choose this. Okay. So also for flooring, okay, for the wall, is it wall painted? So ceiling and urinal. So um, much of the checklist that we created a while ago was not included here because we're running out of time. So that's it for our presentation for El Banyo.
Revise sa UX. Revise sa UI.